Welcome to the definitive guide to dashcam loop recording, sometimes called the infinite loop. Standard digital cameras stop recording when the memory card is full. This means a driver must manually delete old files to ensure they don't miss crucial footage of a later accident. Loop recording solves the storage limit by continuously recording video. The software automatically overwrites the oldest files with new footage, ensuring the driver never misses a moment. Loop recording relies on three integrated functions: video segmentation, the overwrite process, and file protection. Pillar 1. Video segmentation. The dashcam breaks the journey into small chunks, typically 1, 3, or 5 minutes long. Small files download faster, reduce data loss during power failures, and delete instantly. Pillar 2. The overwrite process. The processor identifies the oldest unprotected file and replaces it with current footage. Modern processors use buffered writing, meaning the camera misses 0 seconds between files. Pillar 3. G-sensor file locking. The camera detects sudden motion, like hard braking or impacts, which triggers an immediate file lock. The system moves locked files to a protected folder, so the loop software cannot overwrite them. Here is a storage capacity matrix with single-channel recording estimates. As an example, a 128 gigabytes card records about 14 to 16 hours of 1440p footage. Loop recording has real-world applications. It preserves accident evidence, powers the parking mode to capture hit-and-run license plates, and allows recycling of mundane driving footage during road trips while saving protected scenic clips. Let's diagnose some common myths. Dashcam processors use buffered writing for 100% gapless coverage. High-endurance SD cards handle thousands of cycles and last 2 to 3 years. Lastly, 4K recording can fill a 128 gigabytes card in a single weekend. Regarding hardware, standard phone SD cards fail quickly under constant overwriting. Dashcams require high-endurance microSD cards. Look for Class 10, U3, or V30 markings, as these cards withstand extreme heat and constant write cycles. The 3 rules of maintenance include selecting a 3-minute loop interval, setting G-sensor sensitivity to medium or low, and formatting the SD card monthly to clear accumulated locked files. Advanced loop technologies include time-lapse, cloud overwriting for a secondary backup loop, and variable bitrate to reduce data usage when the camera views static scenes. Loop recording integrates video segmentation, automated overwriting, and sensor locks. It transforms a camera into a self-managing, unbroken witness, forming an autonomous safety ecosystem. Information is power in road safety. Loop recording protects crucial evidence, ensuring your camera is always ready to be the unbreakable witness.